Hello everyone. Today I invite you to join me for a walk to the Museu Frederic, one of the most fascinating museums in Barcelona. It is a place where you can discover the amazing collections of the sculptor Frederic Marès, who donated them to the city in 1946. You can see his works of art, as well as his personal objects, such as fans, pipes, clocks, jewelry, and more. The museum is located in a historic building that was once the Palace of the Counts of Barcelona. It also has a beautiful garden where we can relax and enjoy the view. I think you will love this museum as much as I do. It is a treasure trove of history, culture, and art. It is also a great opportunity to explore the Gothic Quarter, one of the oldest and most charming areas of Barcelona. We can walk along the narrow streets, admire the architecture, and visit some other attractions nearby, such as the cathedral, the Picasso Museum, and the Santa Maria del Mar Church. I hope you liked it. Please show your love by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Next is Palau del Lloctinent. Come and join me for a walk. Palau del Lloctinent is one of the most historic and elegant buildings in Barcelona. The Palau del Lloctinent was built in the 16th century as the residence of the king's representative in Catalonia, but it never served that purpose. Instead, it became the home of the Arxiu de la Corona d'Aragón, which contains documents from the 12th to the 20th centuries that tell the story of the crown of Aragón and Catalonia. The building has a beautiful courtyard, a stunning staircase with a wooden ceiling, and a bronze door by Josep Maria Subirachs that depicts St. George and the dragon. I think you will enjoy this museum as much as I do. It is a place where you can learn about the history, culture, and art of the region. It is also a great opportunity to explore one of the oldest and most charming areas of Barcelona. We can admire the architecture and visit some other attractions nearby, such as the Plaça del Rei, the Barcelona Cathedral, and the Temple d'August. We appreciate you for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful or entertaining, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. while we walk to the plaza. We can enjoy the atmosphere and the narrow streets of Barcelona's Gothic quarters. See you there. The Gothic quarter is the historic city center of Old Barcelona. Where the Roman colony of Barcino was founded, it has a maze of narrow streets and squares, with Gothic churches and palaces from the Middle Ages. You are awesome for watching this video and made it this far. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback and support are very important to us. The Plaça del Rei is a 14th century medieval square in the Barcelona Gothic, surrounded by some of the most important and best preserved buildings of the Palau Reial Major. You can see the Saló del Tinell, the Capella Real de Santa Àgata, the Palau del Lloctinent, and the Torre Mirador del Rei Martí. Some of these buildings are part of the Barcelona City History Museum, where you can learn about the history, culture, and art of the region. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You amazing supporters.